Are you ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day with ribbons? Dive into our vibrant ribbon design specially crafted for these festive Irish holidays. Our colorful collection captures the joyful spirit with playful gnomes in cheerful costumes, lively shamrocks, and dancing pot of gold, perfect for addition to your Irish themed celebration. Bring some extra cheer with our vibrant ribbon showcasing festive messages like Happy St. Patrick's Day, Feeling Lucky, and Irish cheers. Whether you're wrapping gifts or decorating your home, these ribbons instantly enhance the atmosphere, creating memorable moments for family and friends. Don't forget those delightful gnomes, adding a whimsical Irish touch. You will find them dancing, driving cars filled with Shamrock, and celebrating joyful highlight, the playful side of the cherished holiday. With this delightful design, you can effortlessly infuse your party with Irish spirit. The St. Patrick's Day inspired happiness, luck, and festive charm with our ribbons. Let's celebrate our St. Patrick's Day in style.
May your blessings outnumber the shamrocks that grow.
May your blessings outnumber the shamrocks that grow. Celebrate with laughter and lore. Celebrate with laughter and lore.